Welcome to this video. Today we're going to be discussing the best herbs and spices. Now first of all, we're going to start off with the ones that are really good for blood flow and blood circulation, because that's what's going to get oxygen for regeneration and also get the nutrients to the eyes. And then we're going to get into some eye specific herbs. So first of all, we've got turmeric. Sorry if the camera doesn't focus, maybe I won't hold them up. We've got ginger. So you want turmeric, ginger, you want cinnamon. Now this is all to do with blood cleaning, blood cleansing, getting nutrition in, all about the endothelium, the walls of the arteries, the walls of the blood vessels. And then now you've actually got something that you're probably going to be shocked at, cayenne chili pepper. Now the reason why cayenne is so good, it gives that kick, it gives that boost. A lot of people in the morning actually have a cayenne and ginger shot to really get that body going, you know, to get the body temperature up. It's all about that blood flow and blood circulation. Now we're going to go into some eye specific ones. So we're talking about Eye Bright. It's in the name. You want to buy this, and it's Eye Bright herb. So it actually comes from the plant, which is the euphrasia, which is the eye bright plant. Now what you can do with this is you can have it in capsule form, you can have it in powder form, but you can also have it as an eye wash, and you can actually wash your eyes with it. And there's also trifla. These are the ones that I recommend. Look, I wouldn't have been able to get to where I am now without all of this. It's a whole strategy of diet, lifestyle, and the herbs and spices. They're the things that are powerful. If you've got the fruit, you've got the raw food in connection, and that synergy is powerful. Right, where are we at now? Let me think. What else have we got here? We've got milk thistle, we've got bilberry. We know to eat that. But in terms of the herbs and spices, I'll tell you what, golden seal root, and I've actually ran out of my bayberry bark, but you want some bayberry bark as well. So we're talking all of those things. And also you can add the garlics, because the garlic's very good if you want that antiviral, antibacterial, and onions as well. But that's other things. But the ones that I listed here are the main specific ones that you want to clear out those eye floaters, and not only just clear out the eye floaters, but get the whole eye full of nutrition and working properly. So it's going to improve eyesight. We're talking the retina, the macula, the cornea, the iris, full eye health. If you've got all of these herbs and spices, your eyes are going to be loving you and working properly. And that's it from this video. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments below if you use any of these herbs and spices and what are your experiences. Let me know, and thank you once again for watching this video, and I will see you next time.